Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write a long essay on the topic A Journey by Train. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. A journey by train is the cheapest and most comfortable. I had always traveled with my parents. Last Friday, I went to Delhi by train. I was very glad. I had to go by Delhi Express. I went to booking office to buy a ticket for myself. There was a great rush, but the people were standing in a queue. I also joined them. At last, I purchased the ticket. The train started with a whistle. I saw the scenery outside. It was pleasing. There were green fields, little children were grazing their cows and buffaloes. They shouted with joy. They called out to us, the train was running very fast. My train reached New Delhi. Here was the greatest rush. It is a great junction. Hawkers were selling different types of commodities by hawking on their high voices. There was every type of panic everywhere.